G'day folks, and welcome to this series where I'll be starting live coding in Angular 6. In this series I'll be building a single page application of an e-commerce store. I'll be using the WordPress or the WooCommerce API as the back end to retrieve the products to display in Angular. This is a real life project. There'll be some mistakes, so let's get underway. Okay, so first we need to set up the environment. I have started the new app here. I've called it Ulalava. I've added some routing and I've changed the styles to SCSS. Okay, so that's done. So we head over to the project file. If I open up Visual Studio Code, just insert it in there. So this is just a blank, there's nothing else added here, you can see. No dependencies. What I want to add is some Bootstrap. We're going to be using Material Design Bootstrap. So if you're not familiar with that, just show you. Material Design Bootstrap. It's for Angular, so it's not a bad. It's basically Bootstrap, but with the modern design feel to it. All the components. It's you look at the buttons compared to Bootstrap. You can see the default buttons are nice. They got the wave effect. It's pretty cool. Nicer colors. Gradient ones. Obviously you need to be a pro to use some of the components, but I'm no pro. I just use the basics and get away with it, and it's fine. So if we get started with adding it to the project, we need to, this is what we've done. So next we need to install the Bootstrap. So if we head back to, just lift this up a bit. I want to open up a command terminal and add that there. Okay, well that's installing. What else do we going to need? These two here. Copy them. Head over to the modules. Just one there. Next one. No schemas. And now I think we need the scripts, which are from here. Control and save that. Head into the angular.json, and we go to scripts, styles, save that, and then we need to get the scripts here for which we haven't installed yet. Probably do that first. And then we head over and get the scripts. Okay, I think we're done. Yep. Now, we start the server. And then we have it, our blank app. Alright, so our environment is set up and ready to go. So to make sure that's all working, we need to add a component. Well, what we'll do first is we'll just quickly make sure this is all working. We'll head over to navigation. And we'll just add in this navbar, which is this one here. With everything and voila, there we have our navbar. If we don't, so there's home 2, control save that, and we go over to home 2, so you can see that's us. Okay, we've got our first component. Well, it's not our first component, we'll set up the environment. What we'll do in the next video is we'll make some components, some pages, a bit of architecture, and yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.